Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ava.
What's your name?
My name is Noah. My name is Mari.
What are you guys doing today?
We're making edible slime.
No, edible Play-Doh.
Yeah, edible Playdoh.
Yay!
I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Remember, wash your hands. Remember to wear your mask. We're gonna make edible Play-Doh today. First, we need peeps. We need powdered sugar. We're gonna microwave the 2 ingredients and then we're gonna mix it.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah! First, we need 5 peeps each. 1, 3. I just feel like 4.
Ava, are you done? You got your 5? Okay.
5.
Ooh, okay, you guys ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Now we need 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now let's go.
3.
Hey guys, that peep was so good. 2. Last one. 1. 2.
My God.
Last one. 3.
Okay, Noah's turn. How many do we need, Noah?
3.
Yeah.
That makes it.
Got it?
Now we're microwave for 20 seconds. We'll be back. We'll be back. Now we mix it. Now we mix it. Oh, look at it mixing it.
Ooh.
Mix your bowl. Oh, mine is blue and red. It's time to go white and red.
Mix it all together.
Whoa, give a rainbow. Oh, I like yours. Thank you. I like yours too. Yours looks like Dr. Eggman. Yeah, mine. Sonic and Dr. Eggman. Mine. Mine looks like Sonic and Tails.
Mix all your sugar.
Yeah, mine looks like Dr. Mine is going to be green. Mine is going to be green. Mine is going to be pink. What is that? Can we play with this?
Yeah, you guys can play with it.
Ew, not right now. Oh, it's hot. I can't play with this. Mine's way good and it stinks.
Oh.
I'm already done.
You're all done?
Look.
Oh, yeah?
Stretching. Oh, yeah. Get down. Whoa, stretching. Ah! Volcanoes. Guys, mix the sugar.
Is it yummy?
Mix it up. Blobbly, 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 Sorry.
Take a bite. Let me see. Is it yummy?
You want to try mine? Happy Easter! Happy Easter! See you next time. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. We're gonna make edible Play-Doh. Now we're microwaving 20 seconds.
For 20 seconds.
I didn't say 20 seconds.
Okay.
Ew, someone farted. Oh no. No one farted. Guys.